difference for PlexusAV is like we come from a broadcast background. We actually are part of a organization that's been around for 75 years and has been successful in the broadcast space for a very, very long time. And we come from an interoperable world where actually different pieces of gear from various manufacturers work together. And I think that's like our biggest differentiator is like that is what is in our DNA, making our equipment work with other vendors' equipment. And in the ProAV space, we're like really used to our walled gardens, our like only working with our own brand solutions and developing a lot of black boxes that just do that interconnect. Our goal really is an interoperable world where we allow signals to travel in and out of our system and not have this like walled garden approach. So we make this happen by adapting a standard called IPMX, and there's a lot of buzz on the show floor at ISE this year about IPMX, a lot of announcements, so that's great. It's an open standard, a truly open standard, not owned by one single company or one single alliance that is connected to a company. It's a true open standard, so that means that nobody owns it and everybody can see what is going on inside. So that's the first thing. And the other thing we're doing is not ignoring like all the IP-based signals that a lot of customers already have on their network. So IPTV singles, NDI singles, Dante singles, all those other protocols. So instead of putting up a fence and saying, okay, we are Plexus, this is our system, we're not connecting to these other protocols, we're actually opening up to these other protocols and saying we can get them into our network. But the best thing is we also allow them to travel out of our network in those other formats. And the thing is, it allows you to select the best microphone and the best camera, and it works together, right? So it gives you the ability to select best-in-breed solutions. Well, if we project that on the system integration market, if you're a system integrator, like your essence is going to the customer, listening to what they need, and put together a system based on best-in-breed solutions to give them like a good experience and a future-proof system. Well, ultimately, we get kind of like bogged down in these like walled gardens just because that is the only way, and that's what we think IPMX and especially PlexusAV can change. I've been with Plexus from the beginning, so from like the first time we basically got out a napkin and wrote on the back like we want to get into the ProAV space. So yeah, of course that's exciting. If I'm here on this booth and see like where we are right now and what we're showing, where we're at, yeah, I'm very excited about that. And I truly believe in this interoperable open standards approach.